Yo, ha Bill never said. What is good, YouTube? Your boy Milt Neverson coming back with a quick video, and I just want to knock this video out real quick because the Jordan 11 adapts, at least my adapts, they have no power. I mean, like no power whatsoever. So when I hit the plus, I hit the minus, to tighten and loosen, no activity whatsoever. So the assumption is, you got to send it into Nike or something like that, or this is not good for the shoe. But when you think about it, it's no different from a phone literally losing power completely, and it takes some time for it to charge. So what I'm going to do is show you guys what to do when you're faced with this problem where your whole Nike Adapt shoe just has no power whatsoever. When you put it on the charging pad right here, when you put it on the charging pad, what you're going to notice is it's not going to charge right away. It's not that quick. It does take some time to do it. So I'm going to put the phone down so you can see in real time. Actually, you might see like a speeded version, but you're going to see in real time how long it normally takes for it to get a start charge. Because when you look at this system, I think red, if I'm not mistaken, shows you that from 0 to 15%, you'll see this thing glowing red. It has like 3 different types of charge. So you'll see it red. That means that it's only probably 0 to 15% power. When it's orange, I think it's like 20 to 50 or something like that. And you'll see it kind of glowing orange here. And then when it's completely charged, you'll see it green, and then you'll be able to, loosen and tighten as you go. So don't make that assumption that you have to charge it every 2 months and all this stuff. No, you really don't, because it's just a matter of it getting a charge. It's a motor. Nothing more, nothing less. So with that said and done, let me put these bad boys on here. You're going to see it real time. It's going to be fun. So check this out. All right, so got the shoes right here. I'm going to put this right here. Remember, because the charging cell is technically right here, has to line up. This has to line up with the hole, which you can see right here. We'll leave this right here. I'll put this one right next to it. And then you're going to see in real time how long it normally takes for the power to at least charge the sneaker itself. Usually, I think it takes anywhere from, I want to say, a minute to 2 minutes. And depending on how much battery is not in your shoe, or power, I should say, is not in your shoe, you're going to see this thing glow red. So that's just kind of like, actually, you know what? I'm going to leave it here, kind of speed it up so you can see the transition. Oh, there you go. That was quicker than fast. That was faster than I thought. But you see how it just glows up red. So that means that there's about, I think it's about 0 to 20% charge. That's all that glow means. But you see how long it took for it to charge before it actually got a charge. So that's kind of what I wanted to point out in this video, because the assumption again is that once the Nike Adapt basketball shoe, or whatever Nike Adapt shoe you have, the motor needs to be recharged every 2 months and whatever nonsense. Like, I'll be honest with you, I had this shoe since December, and I think I wore it twice, and I haven't worn this shoe, what's this, August? I haven't worn this shoe since February, and I just put that on. So I know that I know the power was completely drained, but I'm glad that this came on actually quicker. I didn't need to speed up the video at all. You guys just saw how long it normally takes. So basically, long story short, you see right now it's in the red phase. But once it jumps in the orange phase, you know that it's anywhere between, I think, 20 to 50% or something like that. And then once it gets to the green phase, you know that it is completely charged. Now, usually these chargers take about anywhere from 5, I want to say, to 6 hours for a complete good charge. And that's on both sides. I really don't need to check the other side, because I'm pretty sure if I lined everything up correctly, I should see it. But unfortunately, I don't think I lined this one up too good. There you go. Bam. Look how quick that was. That's awesome. But your boy Magnificent, man. I am out. Jordan 11 adapts. I will be wearing these more now that the fall season is about to come close. And I can tell you right now, even with the leather pad right here, guys, you don't necessarily need to panic, because unless somebody's coming with like scissors and knives to deliberately cut your shoe with a leather pad, I think you're fine. Even when dirt comes on here, usually I use lotion, combination of water and lotion for the midsole and stuff like that, so I don't damage the foam too much. And I think that is it. So your boy Magnificent, man. Jordan 11 adapts on deck. I love these shoes, man. Love them. You guys, stay blessed.